Man City cheated them way to a treble, while Inter, Man United earned their treble. You remember that? Welcome everybody, welcome back to the channel, fam. Please make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe right down there for brand new. We're very close to 1,000 subscribers, so please drop a like on the video and subscribe. Yeah, 24 hours after Manchester United ended their season, I would say ended on a bittersweet note, to be honest with you. So referee, just blow a whistle. Let's go. What did we just see? We saw a superior Manchester City. We saw a superior Manchester City in possession, Manchester City in defense, midfield, and attack. Just a superior Manchester City all over. We weren't challenging for loose balls. We're not winning second balls. It was horrible. It was absolutely horrible. And I thought we had you saw a semblance of a fight in the first half. When you got the penalty, I was like, okay, great. Now we can push forward and get that chance. Just get that chance. Didn't happen, fam. That lucky goal in the first half, 13 seconds, all right, fine. But that second goal, fam, that second goal from the edge of the box. Yes, it was a good volley, but there's no way De Gea shouldn't be leaving that by himself. His reaction was very slow. Could he have saved it? Could he? I don't fucking know, fam. But it is what it is. It is what the fuck it is, fam. It is what it is. What did we just see? We need reinforcement in every section of the pitch. The goalkeeper, we need reinforcement. Center back, we need reinforcement. The midfield need reinforcement. You can see in the midfield yesterday that Eriksen was not up to the task. Maybe against Brentford, maybe against Fulham, but not against Manchester City. We need midfield reinforcement. I'm not talking about Mason Mount, fam. I'm talking about definite reinforcement. So get out there and spend the money. Matter of fact, don't spend the money. Just get rid of the Glazers. Get rid of the fucking Glazers, fam. What did we just see? Manchester United's team in the FA Cup final looking competitive. Yes, they were thrown over by Manchester City yesterday, but they looked competitive. The future is looking bright moving forward, which brings me to the next topic. Erik ten Hag and his future rates. Go in the transfer market, buy some ballers. Bringing back Ahmad to give you coverage over the left side. Bring some footballers in that can actually play football, and we can do the business next year. You guys remember Manchester United was touted to be 5th, 6th, some say 8th. A lot of people say we were in the top 10. We finished 3rd, make it to the FA Cup final. We won English Cup, the English Championship Cup, the English Champions League Cup, but still, there's a lot more to be done. There's a lot more work to be done. We need to get rid of certain players. Maguire, McTominay, Fred. We already got rid of Jones. We have a lot more people to get rid of. Swansea, Ilanga. All for ballers that in and around the first season that shouldn't be, and bringing some new fresh blood. So the last thing that I would like to say before the end of the season is bring in Sheikh Jassim. Bring in Sheikh Jassim. You man saw what Man City has done in the past 10, 15 years. They have been serial winners. Why? Because they're not afraid to spend the money. Yes, they've been cheating, but that's for another day. That's another topic. Bring in Sheikh Jassim, and the rest will definitely be history. People bless yourself, bless up others. Manaz.